Jeffree Star is someone I haven't thought much about since his move to Wyoming, where he seems to have started a different lifestyle with less focus on being an influencer. But fans are not happy with all aspects of his new lifestyle, one of which was the catalyst for his new business venture that's making fans angry, specifically his vegan and vegetarian followers. Let's get into the tea. Jeffree's latest venture, Star Yak Ranch, announced on Friday that they would be launching a new product, Yak Meat. Star says the meat will be available for sale as early as June online. In a Facebook post advertising the products, the company wrote, quote, "Our delicious grass-fed yak meat will be available on our online store soon, hoping for next month. But Wyoming and Casper locals, tomorrow we will be selling yak meat from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. at our warehouse. Come stop by and say hey, we have every cut available." The company shared some of the benefits of the meat in this post, continuing, quote, "Yak meat facts, super high in protein, zinc, and B vitamins. Being 90% fat-free, yak is a healthy red meat alternative and has more dense nutritional content than skinless chicken, salmon, and beef." This launch comes 8 months after Star filed the trademark for Star Yak Ranch for services including butchering services, clothing, and edible pet treats last September. At the time, Star addressed the backlash, saying that just because he files a trademark for certain products does not mean that's what he will end up selling. Around this time, Jeffree was also showing off the yaks he had as pets, which concerned fans as they believed he could decide to use his pet yaks for meat, which is what people think is happening right now. After the announcement got tons of backlash online, Star spoke with Insider about the scandal, saying that his business plans have evolved over the last year. When addressing the controversy over his pet yaks, he said, quote, "People keep making jokes like, are you eating Swiss chocolate and Buster? Any yak with a name tag is our pet, and we do have a pasture in the back of my land where we're just making food." Star also addressed another elephant in the room, the fact that his cosmetic line has always been proudly vegan, but now he's doing the most harm to animals by using them for their meat. He wrote on Twitter, quote, "I see no conflict. I choose to create a cosmetics line that doesn't test on animals. We all know I've never claimed to be vegan. It's about evolving in the beauty industry and moving past the old ways." Star also spoke about how his lifestyle changes impacted his move to start his business. In the past, Jeffree was known for eating tons of fast food and sugary treats whenever he was being filmed. But now that he's older, he realizes that he needs to eat better, and he started eating yak after cutting out fast food. He wrote in another tweet, quote, "Trust me, I grew up in a huge city and didn't understand the culture of hunting and providing your family with food for a year. I never gave an F where the food came from that I was putting in my body. I love getting older and expanding my knowledge." Guys, please let me know your thoughts on Jeffree's new venture below, and do you think this will be a success for him? Jeffree's allowed to make whatever companies he wants, but I think it's mostly strange that he's pivoting from being this ultra luxurious influencer known for his makeup line and private jets to being a farmer selling food. It's definitely a change I would have never seen coming. But like he said, people change and grow over time, so I guess that's clearly what he's doing. But again, let me know your thoughts on this one below. I've been your host, Mackenzie Smith, and we'll catch you on the next one.